Tati Expo World Tour. Today we're going to be talking about the James Charles and Tati drama. So what happened was that Tati, a lying, conniving, jealous fashion guru, said that James Charles was acting all this irrational and going after like a straight person when they were actually bi. And her video caused James Charles to lose millions of subscribers. And you can see in this Social Blade depiction here, Tati gained 4 million subs off lying on James Charles. Let this sink in. But it doesn't matter now, because your credibility's gone. Tati, you can take your break. Aka, you dodging the heat from your lies, but you'll continue to lose subscribers and your credibility's gone. Bye, sister.